Hello and welcome to the Lacey Camo YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Lacey, and in this channel I do some hunting and fishing. A lot of it's experimental and just have a lot of fun trying new things and recording it for you guys. Well, today I am up at the Rainy River in Baudette, Minnesota. I'm going to be sturgeon fishing from a kayak. It's kind of one of those things that's probably not the smartest idea I've ever had, but I don't know if you guys ever get that where you get an idea stuck in your head and you can't stop thinking about it. Well, that's me with sturgeon, trying to plan out getting a sturgeon in a kayak. This is John and we are up at the Rainy River. Today's May 14th, 2022, and it's the last 2 days of the sturgeon fishing season. We are going to be kayak fishing right off the Rainy River, and it's not the best conditions right now. It is raining a little bit on and off, and it's really windy, like 20 to 30 mile an hour winds. John's only caught one fish in a kayak. He's only been kayaking, well, twice. Been kayaking twice, so it's gonna be an adventure. I just got my first fishing kayak, two of them, that we're gonna be using. New canoes, a 12-foot and a 10-foot. So that's what's going to be in this video, guys, and we'll see if we get any sturgeon. So we did a lot of driving around trying to find where is the calmest to put the kayaks in the water, because right now the river is like really high. It's like 7 feet higher than normal, and we stopped at multiple bait shops to ask for advice where the most or the least current is for launching anywhere, and everybody we asked said that good luck, basically that it's just raging so bad right now. So we are going to be launching kind of in a tributary, is that what it's called? We're launching in a tributary off of the main river, and we're just going to show you what the river looks like right now. Wow, there's actually boats here. We haven't really seen very many boats on the river. We're going to just show you guys how wavy it is here. So this is how high the river is right now, and it's really windy and wavy. Coming up on the rapid river here, and just to show you guys how high the water is right now. We were talking to somebody that lived here for years, and they said that you could walk across this last year. So that's kind of just to give you guys an idea of how high the water is right now and how fast the current is. We just got to where we are gonna put the kayaks in, and the sun is coming out. You guys can see it's way calmer here than the main river, way calmer. But we are gonna go up the tributary towards the main river. Rigged up a couple different things for the kayaks already. This is one of them, the Anchor Wizard, and then John actually made this custom rack, which is perfect for right here. Got a floodlight on here, and then on top of here is the red-green light for the stern or the bow. Took this out for an hour and a half, both of these, the other night for the first time. This is technically not the maiden voyage, but it's like the first time actually fishing really in it. All right, are you ready for this, John?
Is this wrong?
Oh, I'm sorry. You're going down there. You're upside down.
I wondered if I did.
There you go, that's better.
Much better.
Kayak's heavier than I thought it would be. They're off. Oh my gosh, look at that wind. I'm like not even in the wind. You got the heavy one. We just got to the end of this tributary here that we were just on. On the shoreline, it looks really calm. And the wind is actually pushing us towards the shore, so I don't think we have to worry about the wind pushing us out. But we're gonna check it out, so we're gonna give it a try. All right, you ready? You ready to follow me on a crazy adventure? Okay, can we get under this bridge without taking the rod down? That is the question right now. I suppose I could just angle it down. There we go. That was an easy solution. Oh man, getting excited. Oh man, look at that wind. Holy cow. Very windy right now, you guys. We got out to the main rainy here. And you can tell how fast it's pushing us. It's really windy. So we're gonna fish in here. We don't want to go in the rainy, which is right behind us because it's so windy. So we really only have this little area right here to fish. Yeah, if we get right up next to shore and anchor and fish out into this. This is what I'm doing for the first bait I'm trying. I'm going to keep the scissors out just in case we need to cut a line. It gets a little crazy. All right, now we wait. Wow, it's like the wind died down all of a sudden. Man, this is a view here. Perfect. The sunlight there, just shining through. Doesn't get any better than this, sitting on the rainy, sturgeon fishing in a kayak, eating chocolate chip cookies. Whoa, you got a tree coming right at you, John. That's gonna hit your anchor there, John. Reel in your anchor quick, cause that could get bad. Oh my gosh, look at that. You got a fish on there? You got a tree?
That'll give me right.
You're ripping out some line. I just figured you got a big giant on there. A little excitement there.
Oh yeah, if you're not gonna get a fish, you might as well get a tree.
Exactly.
That's what I always say.
Want me to be right next to you, or you want me to be out a little ways?
Doesn't matter.
We're drifting fast though.
Yeah, so drop anchor. Okay.
Okay, I'm dropping anchor. Oh man, that just kept going and going. I know, I'm feeling like some worms and shiners right now. Although these worms are kind of gross. You know what I think we should do? I think whoever gets the first sturgeon gets the last cookie. Deal? All right, here we go. So we got the lines out, and as you can tell, the sun's setting. It's so pretty here right now. It's a little bit hard to see the rod tip in the sunset, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. How's it going back there? Good? Did you get your sturgeon yet? No. Oh, I seen your rod bounce. What was that about? Oh. Trying to make it a little bit more interesting. So yeah, we're set up in the main river now. The wind's way died down, but we might have to go over on the shoreline over there to land one if we get one. We'll see. We do have a net, but I don't know if we'll use it. Never done this before. By the way, you guys, I want to point out this rod. This is a Hogsback custom rod. I've been using this for about a year now. I love it. This is one of the most beautiful rods I've ever seen. Honestly, the only other one I think is more beautiful is the other Hogsback rod that I just got. I did not bring it with me on the Rainy, but these are really strong backbone. And they also have really good action. I've caught a sturgeon on it before, and like a big one, and it was awesome. So had to mention though, the Hogsback, you guys, I would check them out. They're really good rods. Oh, is that a nibble? Oh, John, we're hooked up. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, John. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Can I get your net, John? Oh my gosh, whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Tippy. I don't know how to adjust this drag very well. Whoa. Oh, my heart's racing so bad. John. Oh no. The drag is super loose. Whoa. I just don't want it to like jump out of the water right by my kayak. I'm shaking so bad right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna need the net. See if we can net it. This will be interesting. It's taking out some line. Woo! I'm shaking so bad. Oh my god. Look at this rod. Awesome rod. I don't think it's huge or anything, but it's... Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh, taking me for a ride here. Oh man. Just took out another 35 feet. Oh, it did not like being by the surface there. 19, 18, 17. 17 feet down. Can I grab your net from you? I'm gonna try it. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe I can't net it by myself. Never done this before. Guys, we're gonna try to net this, but I don't know how this is gonna work. Honestly. Might need to go to shore. Oh my gosh, my heart is racing right now. 33 feet. Must be pretty deep here, straight down.
This is so awesome.
guess I have my anchor down, you guys, and it's pulling with the anchor down. If this anchor wasn't down, this fish would be pulling me, I don't even know, who knows where. My arm is getting so tired. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this fish up. I don't know if it's harder because I'm in a kayak or what. It keeps taking out line. It's like 60 feet out, so. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming up a little. Come on. Okay, gaining on a little bit. Oh. I'm so worn out right now. Oh my gosh. My gosh, like I almost want to have you hold it for a second to give me a break for my arms. I can't do that, it doesn't count. Oh, come on. Come on. I just want to gain on it a little bit. Try to get this thing up here. Got John right next to me. We're gonna try to net this, or what are we gonna do here? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it's still 30 feet down. I seriously, it's gotta be wrapped up weird or something. I don't know. Just, if I start to go away, yeah, just let me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be dark by the time we get this fish in. Come on. Oh, we're gaining on it, kind of, John. Come on. Oh, here, it's coming up. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Woo! That's a nice one. Look at it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Might be bigger than I thought. Either that or it's just fat. Oh, come on. Oh. It is a nice fish. Guys, we're trying to get this netted. I'm in it. I got my anchor down, so I'm kind of staying put, and John's trying to get up to me, but against the current, it's not working. So we're gonna try to get John over here to anchor next to me, so we can net him. He's right here. Look at him. Oh, it's beautiful. It's right here. Oh man. Oh. Worn out. I think this fish is getting worn out too. We gotta, we'll get him in there as soon as we can. The net fell in the water? Oh no. I just lost her net. Oh, I'm trying to see back. Oh, the anchor's there. Dang it. You got your net? That's good, it floated.
I didn't get it.
Oh, you didn't get it? Dang. Okay, well, I think the only way I'm gonna have to go to shore. I wonder if I can land it by hand. It's tired now. Let's see if I can get this. That sucks about your net, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see if I can do this. This could be bad. I'm gonna try to keep me steady. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, if you need to let go, let go, let it go. Whoa. Sorry. It's pulling me in. Ouch. My line is twisted up weird. Oh, there we go. Whew. Let me just get him. Try to get this guy in here. Oh, if I can get my leader. Maybe? Oh, come on. I might just have to go to shore. Almost, dang it. Oh, come on. Almost, dang it. Okay, almost had him in here. I think I can get him. Come on, buddy. Oh, I think I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh my god. Woo! I got him. He's gonna flop around. Oh my gosh, I got him in here. Look at this, Rainy River Sturgeon. Woo! That was crazy. Woo! Gotta get him back right away. That was a long fight. Okay. All right, buddy. Man, he's like way under my seat. I'm gonna turn the light on here. There. All right, got the hook out. I'm gonna try to get a quick measurement. Okay, he's about 22 wide. Oh, I think he's over 60 actually. This is a big fish for a little kayak. Okay, what is it? Here, put it straight here. 60?
60.
Woo!
On the nose.
Woo! Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm shaking so bad. Hope he doesn't freak out. Oh man. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. That was insane. 60-inch fish in the kayak. That was insane. Oh, that echoed. Oh, that was awesome. The perks of having a motor on one of them at least. crazy? That was insane. 60-inch sturgeon in the kayak. That was awesome. Except for the fact that we lost John's net somewhere along the way. Brand new net. We have never used it. One of those, what is it, stowaway? It was a nice one. But anyway, that was awesome. Thanks, John, for the help. We did it. First rainy river sturgeon in a kayak. We're going to try again tomorrow. But anyway, hope you guys had fun watching, and we'll see you guys next time. By the way, you guys, we were fighting over who would get the last cookie. So we made a deal. Whoever got the sturgeon, the first sturgeon, got the last cookie.